That whiteboard explainer you just watched, the drawing, the narration, the pacing, looks like a human drew every frame. It wasn't. It was generated by an AI called Gulpo. And here's what I actually typed to make it. That's it. One prompt inside Claude code, one command to render, and the video came out.
The year is 476 CE. A Germanic chieftain named Odoacer walks into the imperial palace in Ravenna and tells the last Western Roman emperor, a teenager ironically named Romulus Augustulus, that he's out of a job.
Whiteboard animation is a proven retention format. The reason educational channels have used it for over a decade, because the drawing unfolds while the concept is explained. A studio-produced explainer in this style can cost around $2,000 or more per video. Golpo makes the same workflow far more accessible. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you two workflows. The one you just saw, Claude Code plus Golpo, running through a skill so I never leave the terminal. And then a second workflow, where I upload a document or prompt straight to Golpo's web app at video.gulpoai.com. Let's build it. Quick orientation. Gulpo AI is a whiteboard explainer video generator. You give it text, a prompt, a document, or a script, and it produces a narrated whiteboard animation where visuals are drawn on screen as the voiceover explains the concept. Golpo is YC-backed and built by a team out of Stanford. Text input options include prompts, PDFs, docx, PPTX, Markdown, and plain scripts. Narration supports 40+ languages. I'll show the selector live when we get to the render panel. Golpo offers a free preview with no credit card required. You can test the full generation before deciding to upgrade. I'll confirm the free preview details on screen at sign up as well. This is the workflow that changed how I use Golpo. Instead of opening a browser, you install Golpo's official skill inside Claude Code, or Codex, same skill, different command, and generate videos directly from your terminal. Let me install it live. Open Claude Code, first command, /plugin marketplace, add Gulpo-AI/Gulpo-Cloud skill. Then, as a separate command, /plugin install Gulpo at Gulpo skill. Once installed, configure your Gulpo API key. You'll need one with API access enabled from your Gulpo account. Now, Claude Code has Gulpo available as a skill. Here's the workflow that matters. I'm going to explain a concept that's genuinely hard to teach without visuals: database sharding. I ask Claude to structure it into a whiteboard-friendly explainer. Structure a 5-scene whiteboard explainer script for database sharding. Scene 1, introduce the problem of database scaling. Scene 2, horizontal partitioning. Scene 3, shard key selection. Scene 4, the routing layer. Scene 5, trade-off summary. Claude writes the full script, scene by scene, with descriptions of what should be drawn in each. This is where Claude's structuring actually adds value. The teaching sequence is organized so the visuals build on each other. Then, still in the same terminal session, I invoke the Golpo skill to render the video from that script. Generation may take a few minutes. That's expected. When the render finishes, the download link appears in the terminal. Pull the file down, open it locally, and play it.
Scene 1, the problem, database scaling. Every app starts the same way. One server, one database. It works great, until it doesn't. Scene 2, horizontal partitioning. The core idea behind sharding is simple. Instead of one database holding all the rows, split your data across multiple databases, called shards.
Concept structuring, script generation, video rendering, and file download, all inside one terminal session. Second workflow. If you're not working in a terminal, or you want to run a video off an existing document, Gulpo's web app handles that path. Head to video.gulpoai.com and sign in. Free preview available. No credit card required. Land on the playground. 2 inputs, prompt or document upload. I'm gonna do both. First, prompt. Explain how backpropagation works in a simple 3-layer neural network. Cover the forward pass, error calculation, and the weight update process. Keep it beginner-friendly with visual metaphors. Hit generate. The script panel populates with structured narration and scene descriptions.
Think of a neural network like a sound mixing board. Inputs flow in, weights act like volume knobs, and the network tries to produce the right output.
Narration language selector. Gulpo supports 40+ languages. You can see the full list right here. Voice options are in the next dropdown. Pick the tone that fits your content. Animation style, Dry erase is the classic whiteboard look. Render. Generation may take a few minutes. Play the result.
Backpropagation sends that error backward. The network computes which weights contributed most to the mistake. Large contributors get adjusted more. Gradient descent then nudges each weight downhill, reducing future error. Repeating this cycle is how neural networks learn.
These drawings are generated for the specific content, not pulled from a stock library. Same playground, but this time I click Upload Document. I'm uploading a PDF, a real white paper. Gulpo reads the document and generates a script that summarizes it into a shorter whiteboard explanation. Edit any line in the script panel before rendering. Render. Generation may take a few minutes. Play the finished document-driven video.
Gulpo reads the document and generates a script that summarizes it into a shorter whiteboard explanation.
The practical use case here is clear. Course creators condensing chapter content, marketing teams turning a white paper into a shareable explainer, educators building visual summaries of dense reading material, document in, structured script out, edit if you want, whiteboard video rendered. Developers already working inside Claude Code or Codex who want to generate explainer content from the same terminal they build in. The skill workflow means no context switch. Corporate L&D. Teams producing onboarding, training, and internal communications videos at scale. Teachers and professors turning lecture material into visual summaries that reinforce classroom teaching. Students preparing study guides, revision videos, and presentation content. And YouTubers building scalable, monetizable content workflows around explainer content. The workflow itself supports high output, though earnings on any platform depend on your channel, niche, and effort. Marketing and product teams turning documentation into shareable explainers. Anyone who prefers whiteboard-style teaching content over talking head or slide deck formats. The whiteboard format works because the drawing unfolds as the concept is explained. Elements appear on screen at the moment they're relevant to the narration. Link to Golpo AI is in the description and pinned comment, video.gulpoai.com. Free preview available, no credit card required, so you can test the full generation before deciding on anything. If you're already using Claude Code or Codex, the skill install commands are in the description too. Setup runs in about a minute, and the workflow is worth trying on any concept you've been meaning to explain visually. Drop a comment with the concept you'd turn into a whiteboard video first. Subscribe for more tutorials on the AI tools that are actually changing how the work gets done.